Are you interested to know how Miss V went from this to this? Stay tuned. For $3, not including the makeup. I'm talking about the hair and the labor. So that's it. In this video, remember, Miss V channel is about helping you save money, whether it's saving money on a hairstyle, on groceries, on car insurance. I just focus on saving money. So I'm going to show you how I took this, what would have been an $85 hairdo, and did it for $1, $2, $3. Yes, $3, and I'll tell you how. So this is a tutorial on how to install crochet braids. I'm sure y'all seen it all over YouTube, but you never seen Miss V do it. Never. So I'll be using this water wave hair. I do not wear my hair long like this, so I'll cut this hair in half. And I am in the color 1B. So I got this hair for $3 regular. You see, $5.99. I'll tell you how at the end of the video. So I'm gonna open this up and cut it in half, and I'll be back. So this is the hair out of the pack. It comes folded like this, and this is the hair. So I cut it at the bend. It's already bend right. Cut it in half. Okay. Then this is hair. It's still long. Okay, see it's sectioned off in these little curls. So what I do is, I like for my hair to be fluffy, frizzy. So I separate this. It has natural pattern. So I separate it. Okay. Then I bought me a crochet hook for $1.99. If you're interested in saving money on doing your own hair, this is a good way to do it. You probably say, Miss V, I don't have time to do my own hair. If you got time to sit there and let somebody else do it, you got time to do it yourself. So you see the hook. You slide the hair on the hook. Slide the hair on the hook. Close the latch. Okay, let me go back. You slide this under your braid. Say like I slide it. Gotta slide it sideways. See, it's like this. Slide it flat under your hair with it open right there. Slide the hair on the hook. Hard for me to do it on camera. It's best to do it like this. Catch the hair like that. Slide it on the hook. Then close that latch. Try that again. Slide it under your hair. Hook the hair under the hook. Close the latch. Pull it through. Open it back up. See, you got the hair? Well, can you see it? Got that. Hold this in. Pull it through. And make a knot. Just keep doing that throughout your hair. I do it a couple more times. So I'm going to go ahead and get started doing my hair, and I'll come back and show you the final result. No, I'm going to do that one more time. Got the hair. Slide, hook, close, pull, and tie. Slide, hook, close, pull, and tie. That's it. And I'll be back. Down to my last 3 pieces of hair. And this is all I have left. So I'm gonna put those 3 pieces right there, and I'll be finished. So remember, gonna open the latch. Slide, hook, slide it on the side, hook it, close. Gotta make sure you don't catch your hair. Close, pull, and tie. Slide, hook. You can do 1 or 2 knots. Close and tie. Do that again. Trying to fill these little gaps in that I got. Slide. Hook. Close. Pull. And tie. Alright, y'all know what, almost made it to the end. Last piece. Let's see. Put the last piece right here. This doesn't matter because I'm not going to wear my hair down with the part down the middle. Slide, hook, close. I lost that one. So you pull it right back through. Slide it. Hook it. Close, pull, tie. Slide, hook, close, pull, tie. And that's it. Style it however you want. So my hair is thin around the edges. So with this hairstyle, I did not put any hair on the perimeter right here. But that's going to all be covered up when you wear your hairstyle. So I'm going to cut it to a style and I shall be back. $3 hairdo that they normally charge $85 to do. How I did it, this is how I did it. Each pack of hair is $5.99. And what's that, 2 packs, that'll be $12. But guess what, this month is my birthday and I signed up for the reward program months ago, and when I put my phone number in, I had a $10 reward. So that's how I got the hair for $3. So here we go. And you know when you use a debit card, I had my debit card and the minimum you could do is $4, so I had to get a little razor blade or something else to make it $4.17. But that shows you right there, $3.82 is what I paid for this hair. Yay, you see the total up at the top too for $5.99, $11.98. Then I had to take my $10 birthday reward off. So I got me a hairdo for $3. That's it. That is what Miss V's channel is about. Saving you money in all aspects of your life. Saving you money on food, housing, hair, whatever. We just saving money over here and we paying down debt so we can live a wealthy life. Wealthy, not rich, but wealthy. There's a difference. So that's it. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope it helps you and inspires you to do your own hair. Now look at my hair. Now is that not cute? Look like I've been to the beauty shop. I've been to Miss V's beauty shop. Miss V's beauty shop. Yes. So I'm going to start back wearing my crochet hair. There's 2 packs of hair that I pulled apart. You saw the video. So that's it. Miss V is going to continue to show you love. And I'm going to help you save. Always try to help you save some money. Thank you and have a nice day.